Okay, I've been part of silver soul like in the music. Can't go back to my roots. And once I got to say I'm turning back to this absolute. I'm just trying to organize our temple. What's in the truth? But it's so hard to believe, and it's much harder to do. And life was complicated, and it collected a spot where sometimes I get so faded I can't figure out where my head at. And I get lost at the train tracks. I'm thinking so hard my brain cracks. Because I gotta go get taxes to nobody, and I'm still taking up spaces. It's getting so damn difficult to remember all these faces. They faceless, so tasteless. They'll think that they the greatest. We think one second maybe they realize that we all on the same shit. I'm just saying, I'm just trying to slow. Get a slow, take it slow, take it slow. Watch the shit, watch the moon glow. I'm just trying to slow. Get a slow, take it slow. When I go to sleep, I wake up alive like I was scared. Now I execute, I'm locked and steady. Now then I'm ready for the happiness, and I use that cause it kill only inspires to make pictures of a class up these retire, indulging in the fire. Coming out of my mouth, provoking mental activity in the sound of simple-minded kids. Couldn't even figure this shit out. If I wrote it down, spelled it out, you face y'all should be walking around. You think 1 minute about to stop and finally realize what it's all about. I'm just trying to smoke, get a stone, take it slow.